Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very profiting scalping strategy for Boom 1000 index. Just watch me as I show you the strategy. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So in case you don't know what we are trading synthetic indices where you can find in only one broker. The link to create an account with that broker is at the description of the video. So let's get started. So this is Boom 1000. The first indicator I will be putting on my chart is MACD. Please guys, watch this video to the end because this strategy is very effective and I'm going to be showing you with live examples here. So I want to set my fast EMA, which is this first one, at 12. Fast EMA should be 12. Slow EMA 26 and the MACD SMA should be 9. Then you apply to close. Right, then the main, make it blue 2 pixel. The signal should be red main blue, so leave it like that and then you click done. So this is it guys, we have our setup here already, but let me set the next indicator on the main window. Put moving average and set it on period 40, shift 0, method simple, then apply to close. Right, ignore the levels. For the star you want to use 2 pixel and make the color blue. This is 2 pixel, this is 3 pixel, this is 1 pixel, this is 2 pixel, then you click done. So now how do you use this strategy? You want to see this. First of all, the first indicator is that this blue moving average should cross above these candles, and then you count down for confirmation. You want to see that this MACD has formed 1, 2, at least 2 to the downside. These are to the upside and these are to the downside. Once the MACD has formed 1, 2 graph, 1, 2 bar, that is 2 bar to the downside, then you can sell. So seeing this, I want to sell now. So I've placed the sell now on Boom 1000 index. Normally after 1, 2 I'm supposed to sell, though this one was a bit late, but I still sold anyway. So let's watch it guys. My take profit is going to be after 6 candles. This is after 6 candles from my entry. That is where my take profit will be. It's a scalping strategy. You come in after the 6 candles, you go out. So let's show you how this strategy is very effective. I'll just recap. The reason why I entered this trade is, first reason, take note, it is 1 minute time frame. The first reason is that this moving average has crossed above this chart, indicating that price is going to sell. And then the second reason is that this MACD has formed 1, 2 bars. So after that 2 bar, I am going to sell 2 bar to the downside. These are bar to the upside and bar to the downside. So now that I've entered here, after 6 candles, I will close my trade. That is how this strategy works. So let's check some examples. Look at this one. It crossed above first confirmation. Second confirmation was that 1, 2. So what you sold, collect your profit at 6 bar. That's good to go and you're good to go. So for here, crossed above first confirmation, come here, 1 bar, 2 bar, confirm, then you place your sell around here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, then you are out. Right? Then another one is here, cross below, trace your bar, 1, 2 bar, you say 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle, you are at. Right? So that's how the strategy works. Another one is here. So you just be able to make beautiful 6 candles pips from the market, like almost every time. Trust me guys, you can make so much money from this strategy continuously. This is another beautiful example again. Crossed above, and then you want to come down here to count. We have 1, 2 bar, then you sell from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, and then you are out again. You want to see it happen again. Here again, cross below, and then what, 1 2 1 2 bar. Trace it up is here, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. You're out. You get that, guys? So you don't have to be greedy with this strategy. That is how it is, because it comes every time. You will always make the money every time. So imagine from each time you enter, you make $5. Each time you enter, you make $5. It is a good one, guys. So 1 2 bar, more than 6 candles set, but take 6 candles and go out. So that's how the strategy works. So guys, some tips for you. I'll drop some tips for you in the next video on how you can use this strategy very well, so that you don't avoid blowing your account. Yeah, so it's currently on profit. You can see $38 profit. So you can make this like literally, because this is 1 minute time frame, you can make this literally every 15 minutes. So let's count how many candles we've made. We have 1 2 3 4, the 1 2 3. So the fourth one is currently forming. So after the 6th candle, once the 6th candle close, I'll close this trade in profit. So that's it, guys. It's a very beautiful strategy and simple. It's a very beautiful strategy, and the win rate is so high, guys. Win rate is over 90%. Yeah, the win rate is over 90%. And that few, it's over 97%, guys, because I have tested this strategy for long and I have not really see too many places where it fade. Yeah, not seeing too many places where the strategy fade, except you are a greedy person. Look at this. This one might be close, but check from here. We have 1 2 bar. If you trace it up, you can still count your 6 candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, even more. You can see. So except you're greedy, the strategy pays. You get my point, guys? The strategy pays, except you are a greedy person. So that's it, guys. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button, like this video, and share it to your friends that you know they are struggling to make money from derivative. This is a scalping strategy that anybody can use to make money from derivative. Yeah, I know of a friend who used this strategy to make a lot of money. He withdrew. I think the last time he sent me a withdrawal receipt on derivative was that he was withdrawing $50,000 using just this strategy. He trades on CTrader. Yeah, he trades using CTrader. So guys, do where to click on the link on the description of this video so that you can create an account with Deriv. The market is open 24/7. Here you can find crash and boom volatilities, step index, and so more. So let's count our candles so that we don't fall victim. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the last candle forming. Once this candle is completed, I'll close this trade. So we have $65. So I can literally make this $65 every minute. I know if your account is smaller, you won't be able to open 10 lot size. Yeah, that's true. But according to your account size, you can open a certain amount of money. And I will advise you, whichever account you have, make sure you don't just deposit everything on the account. Try to split the your balance to like 5. Split it by 5. Let's say you have $100. Okay, guys, that's the end of the candle. So I'm closing my trade on $71 profit. So this is beautiful, guys. $71 profit. So like I was saying, if you have $100 account, I would advise you split it to $20. Deposit the $20 5 times. So that's, you deposit $20 so that in case you get a time where it goes against you, you won't just lose all your $100. By the way, you've made some money, and then you have some other $80 to keep on going, so that you won't be in a state whereby you had 9 wins and 1 loss, and the loss took out everything. So we trade with risk management. Thank you guys for watching.